Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial we're gonna talk about tuples in Python. Tuples are similar to lists like in the previous lesson, but the main difference in tuples and lists is that tuples you cannot modify what you've just you cannot modify whatever is inside the tuple, and they're also faster than lists, and they can make the code safer from any accidental modification. Now if I jump maybe into an example of tuples, I can have a variable named numbers and create a tuple. Tuples, now you use normal brackets. Let's say I can have just normal numbers like 3, 4, 5, like that, and then I can print these numbers using the normal way that we learned to print. Now see what happens. It just gives me those numbers as they are, and at the same time you can get the index value of a number in that list. For example, if you want to print index 0, which is 2, you can see it prints here. So you can perform various things in tuples like in list, like what we did ahead. But the major difference that you need to understand is that tuples they are immutable. uh, they are immutable. Immutable means you cannot be able to change, and they can never be used as dictionaries. Okay. Well, this is a difference that you can maybe be confused with list, but you can go ahead and perform similar functions like the one in list. Then we can try and test the aspect of trying to change maybe a value in tuples to see if, let's say, we want to change a certain value there. We see if it can work. If it can work, to change that, then you want to assign to change it, maybe the first index 1 to maybe 6, and we see, let me first gray this out. I can actually take this, then print it below here, and then we see, you see, when you try to change the first index, maybe assign it to 6 so that it can be 0, 3 to be 6, you get a type error which says object does not support item assignment. That's because tuples don't support that, but lists support that. So guys, I think this is it for the basic introduction. In the next module, we're going to talk about function and introduction to Python functions as we build up towards object-oriented part of Python. Bye.